Oh, don't you just love technical difficulties, man? Good morning, y'all. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day, man. Um, let's get into it, man. It's Tuesday. Let's see if we can get us a beautiful setup now. You may be wondering, Chris, what is this new account I'm looking at down here? I had to buy a second one, uh, just in case we blow this one. Okay, so as y'all know, we took a L on stream on Friday, right? And I told you guys I might just take a second setup. And that second setup came down here, right? So if I go to replay mode real quick, this second setup was an L, by the way. So going to the 1 minute, right? Well, let me go back right up here. Okay. Basing it off of, we were respecting this 5 minute fair value gap. We tapped into that. So actually, I think, see, this is the problem with me like deleting my drawings. I'm pretty sure it was this though. So after respecting that 5 minute fair value gap, we saw this super small 5 minute fair value gap right here. Then I dropped down to the 1 minute to look for a setup on. Saw displacement through this low, so I ended up taking the entry off of this fair value gap right here. And as y'all can see, bro, I took this on like the micros too, I believe. But as y'all can see, man, this ended up being an L. Boom. And yeah, bro. So that's how the account got down to here. So we got about $300 worth of drawdown left on this particular combine, which I'm not necessarily mad at, y'all. Again, could someone say, yo, Chris, you know, why are you taking multiple trades a day? I've already explained I'm not trying to be in these combines really more than, like, worst case scenario, a month, but really no more than 2 weeks. I'm gonna be honest. Like, I'm done dragging out combines. So and that's not me being impatient. It's just, you know, the longer I drag out a combine because I'm just waiting for a perfect A plus setup, bruh. Like, I'm essentially losing money. And I'm saying that because, like, do you want to go on a win streak in a combine, or do you want to go on a win streak in a live account, like in an actual account, bro? Right? Like, the longer it takes me to get a combine done, right, whenever I do get back on a winning streak, the chances of it being in a combine is higher, bro. And I don't want to be on a win streak in a combine, bro. What? No. If I'm going to be on a win streak, it's going to be in a live account. So we got a second account ready to go. Obviously, I'm still going to trade this one, see if we can bring this back from death. But yeah, man, we'll see. Looks like we're taking out the previous day low on incur. I'm using Trade Evade. We can see ES is nowhere near close to taking out previous day low. So that's some bullish SMT right there. Again, we're going to be a little bit more aggressive with these combines, man. I'm not trying to be in the combine 20 years, bro. So we're not going to be reckless, but we're going to be a little bit more aggressive. Bruh, any Florida State fans here, bruh? With Trade Evade, there's no quote unquote minimum. However, depending on what you're trying to trade, would determine how much you need to put in your account. So like if we where is that? Here we go. So like if we come here, you see for NQ, right? The day margin, right? That's how much you need in order to hold a trade for NQ just with one contract. But keep in mind with futures, um, your margin, like that's like the minimum amount you have to have in your account. So let's just say you get in with one contract on the E-mini NQ, right? The moment your account goes from 1,000 to $999.99, they're pulling you out the trade, right? It's not like Forex where you can go below what you need, um, and they'll margin call you eventually. Nah, the moment you go below this day margin number that you need in order to be in a trade, they're taking you out the trade immediately. So, although it says $1,000, you know, obviously you want more than that because the moment you enter into a trade, your account balance is going to go below the $1,000. So it really all just depends on what you're trying to trade. Um, that's the mini. You can do the micros, right? The micros only require $100, but again, that's the minimum. So you're gonna want to have a little bit more than $100 in order to cover, drawdown and things like that. Mm-mm-mm. Look at all this, man. Does this not look beautiful, bro? Does that not look like the draw on liquidity? I mean, bruh, like when did I take a trade trading up into this? I think it was on Thursday, man. Like, how in the world did we not take this? That's crazy. I tell you what. I don't mind. I don't mind going long today. If we can get it set up. See if we can start getting some displacement up, bro. Only place we may have to worry about is right here, which I feel like is going to trade into before it gives us that bullish displacement, which means I'm going to have to fade the longs. And let's see. No, I'm going to have to fade the shorts. Excuse me. And I've still not figured out, bro, how to get like my monitor's output in the audio mixer, bro. So I'm sorry, y'all. We're back to having quiet streams, man. I don't get it. Like, I didn't do anything special when it was on there before. Like, it just automatically got up on there when I added the monitor. Now, all of a sudden, it doesn't want to be on there. So, brother, yikes. Let's see if we can revive this combine, man. Worst case, we got another one on deck, bro. I mean, the previous weekly candle closed exactly how you would want it to close if you were trying to long this. So, I'm gonna put an alert at the previous day's low. I got to do the previous weekly low. For ES, just so we can know when this S&T fails, bro. If it does. Like, bro, the fact that we just keep generating all these highs up here, bro. Like, you can't tell me. Can't tell me we ain't gonna take those out. Oh my god. But shoot, we may just leave them. Like, bro, what? I feel like ES already did though, low key. It's like ES. He can barely sweep it. It did. I mean, so we do got some bearish SMT there. Which ain't what I want to see, bro. Like, God. Let me see where else we could be potentially trying to go. I mean, the most obvious low is this on the 4 hour. And the fact that we're like engulfing this. I mean, this low right here is like the next obvious thing to me. Like, bruh. That's your 15-minute gap now. That low just got swept. I was about to look something up, man. We need something, man. tripping, bro? I missed something. I did miss something. I'm tripping, bro. How did I not remember this at 10? Yo, how did I not remember that? If I would have been in a trade and I took an L because I just whiffed on the news, is crazy, bro. Thank God. The basic came out. I don't know what this means. Actual greater than forecast is good. So it's less, which means it's bad, which means it's bullish. In theory, for indices. I'll go long, especially on this account. We only got $300 left. We'll give it a run. If we can get us some displacement to the upside. Probably won't be able to do the mini though. We would have to run the micros. On this account. That's not good enough for me. Alright, so ES just took out those lows, so that SMT is gone. Yeah. Alright, so at this point, man, I'm just gonna wait, bro. I need to see what they're trying to do. Let's take a look at the bot. I'm not liking how today's shaping up in these markets, man. This is kind of trash, bro. I need to see a little bit more, man. I don't know, y'all. Right now, it's not looking great at all as far as giving like a good setup as of right now, man. This is giving that Monday energy. This is what I was kind of worried about. Y'all know I really don't trade the first trading day of the week, and even though it was technically yesterday was a holiday, so I was really kind of counting today as the first day of the trading week. But I was like, let me just hop on and see. And right now, what I'm seeing is Monday. This is Monday work. This is exactly what I expect on the first day of the trading week. Oh, whoops. Then it's like you can't even get short, bro, until they pull up into something up in here, bro. Yeah, this is so bad, bro. Like they don't even pull up into anything that'll even allow you to get in on it, bro. Like I'm not selling right now, so if we just go, we just go. We might just call this a day early, bro. What did I say? Like down here. I mean, it would be crazy, but if we just shoot down here without a pullback into anything where I can get in on, like early, your boy is off. I'm literally off if we get down here. Just zero pullbacks, man. Low key, bro. The bop is the only one that's looking like it's giving you a chance to enter on something. Right. Respecting that so far. Even though I don't like all this up here, I still see a lot of lows that can be taken out. Only thing is, like, it would have to come up here, tap into this little BPR. For me, at least. Stop loss on this would literally be perfect. As far as how much I got left. But I don't know if it's going to come up there. More than likely not. I'll put an alert on though, just in case. As far as NQ goes, I'm not looking to sell this thing at least until we pull up into here on the 15-minute. So we can catch something going into that. That would be great. Otherwise, we got a no trade day, which I ain't mad at. We got 40 minutes before I call it. All right, the weekly looks good. In this little volume imbalance right here. With a little baby fair value gap. Honestly, I don't even like how gold took that low out first. So I'm gonna delete this. I would have been interested in that if these lows were still intact, but since they're not, I'm good on gold. wonder if today's going to be another one of those days where we're waiting all day for something and then it just leaves us. We're starting to get some movement up. Let's see if we can displace through this. Patience, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Like, bro. Let's do. It's getting real close to me saying it. It's getting real close. I might just pull the trigger on something anyway, though. Just because this account's already on the brink of death. I think the rebill on this is. Yeah, it's on Friday. So I might just pull the trigger on something just on this one. Just because it really doesn't matter on this account anymore. We got another one on deck. So, I mean, if it wants to just displace lower, I guess I could just hop on the micro. And give this a shot. Guess we could just give it a run, huh? I think I am, y'all. I'm just going to give this a run. Just because on this account it's not really a big deal if it loses. Oh, well. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. Should I? Let's see. I think I am, bro. This could very well be the last trade on this account, y'all. I'm not too worried about it. I'm just gonna give it a shot. If it loses, it doesn't matter. We'll come back tomorrow on the new one, ready to go. So this is what we're looking like. Taking this because I mean it seems like they just refuse to trade higher, so we'll give it a shot. Like I said, worst case, this loses. This account is gone, and we go again on a different account. This rebuild is on Friday anyway, so we gotta make something shake. We're gonna be going for the full pull here. See if we can get us a $1,500 day. But I know very well what I'm doing. This is deep into discount, bro. We didn't pull back into anything in premium, so if this is an L, then oh well, bro. Definitely, I'm not taking this on the new account though. Here's a scenario. Either we win or this account is blown. Like I said, I'm not super confident in this, which is why I'm not taking it on the other one. So because I really don't like the fact that we're selling so low. Like, look how low we are. This is a horrible place to enter for sale. But I mean, we just keep displacing lower, so it's like, why not give it a shot? Plus, man, not every setup is gonna be picture perfect. The stars aren't gonna align on every single trade, man. So sometimes you might have to take an ugly one. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's all probabilities in a number game. I'm trying to see a good place to Bro, there's just nothing. I don't know, maybe these lows way over here. I could go and break even. Well, I could go break even right now. Just off of this, but I'm not, bro. Need this to give us the full pull, man. Maybe after, like, if we create another low, like at the second break of structure, I'll move it to break even on the 1 minute. But other than that, bro, I'm letting this thing go. Like I said, we're either blowing this account today or we're giving it some life. Plus, we got this 5-minute gap here. It may want to pull up into here, so I'm not going to break even. Our entry is literally just before the beginning, and our stop loss is just before the end of the fair value gap. So this should be interesting if it does pull back into there. Bum, bum, bum. Beautiful. So far, so good on this trade. We did our analysis. We're taking our chances. At this point, it's in the Lord's hands. It's in the Lord's hands at this point. Not the market makers. It's in the Lord's hands. If this is supposed to be a win, then it'll be a win. This is just such an ugly day, bro. Such an ugly day. Look at this trash. Look at this trash, bro. Look at this garbage. This is trash price action. You don't want to see this. This black line right here is where I said I'll go break even. Based on these lows sitting way over here. see if we can even get down there. Hey, bro, look at ES. ES hasn't moved at all. Oh my God. We're about 40 points in profit right now. I really wouldn't be tripping to go break even right now. I mean, 40 points in profit is nothing to sneeze at. I really want to give this a chance to get pulled into. I literally might just leave it on, y'all. Like I said, this account is on the brink of death anyway. I think we literally just tapped that. Alright, so I technically could go break even right now. I really think we're just going to go for here, bro, because like I said, they're not trying to pull back at all. So I think this low from what? Wednesday, August 24th? No, August 28th, excuse me, is the draw, bro. So we're going to try to aim for that. I'm trying to get a little bit more than that, though. See if I can max out, you know, my consistency rule and just get a $1,500 day. But so far, a dub for the camp. I'll go ahead and drop this in the Discord. Dub on incur the wifey. Dub on incur the wifey. Let this thing run. I'm not gonna let this turn into a loser though. So I'm gonna try to let it run, but worst case, we might just have to close a little bit early. We gave it some more life today with this win, so I think I am just gonna go break even. Give myself a chance to hopefully we can get this thing to go and we can celebrate. But let's go back over this. This is not a trade I would usually take, man. I don't like how this trade looked at all. Reason I took it, though, just for you guys that are wondering. Originally, y'all know I was bullish, bro. But after seeing us fail to just get any momentum to the upside, and then seeing us displace through this little short-term low right here, I was like, bro, I'm just going to go ahead and get this thing a shot and see what we can get out of it. And right now it's working out beautifully, I would say. So, yeah, that is why I'm in this trade. But the main thing was seeing this huge displacement through this low. That's what made me go ahead and give it a run. And now we're gonna see we got the macro in about 40 seconds. Let's see if the macro can just carry us home down here. Bro, I keep accidentally doing that. We're gonna have to leave those highs for another day, man. Plus another thing is like not trying to predict the market, but just reacting to it, bro. Like do what the market wants you to do instead of waiting for the market to do what you want it to do, bro. And that's another thing I've been kind of working on. And so reacting to this, you know, it's showing me, hey yo, we going lower. You either gonna get in on the ride or you gonna keep praying for longs. So we in there. And this is working out pretty good. We need this macro to go ahead and carry us to the promised land. At one point we were up, what, 8 something? So I'll probably lock in. Actually, nah, bro. We gonna let this thing go. We gonna let this thing go, man. Come on, macro. Do me right for once. And just go where I want you to go. But yeah, this was not a beautiful day in the market, bro. This is not a textbook day. This is not what I would want to see, you know, on a regular basis. I mean, the profit, yes, I would want to see this on a regular basis, but bored, man. What's up, bro? Ain't seen you in a while, man. Ain't seen you in a while, bro. Hope you've been doing good. Yeah, I know you on that West Coast, man. Low key though, if I gotta get me a full-time job, your boy is gonna try to get out there to the West Coast. I ain't gonna lie to you, cause I still want to trade New York session. I ain't trying to switch to London. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, low key, this trade is looking pretty decent. I wasn't in love with this trade. That's why I didn't take it on the other account, but it's working out pretty well. The master of lunch. Hey, man, you can have lunch. I'm good on New York lunch, man. I'm good on that. This is where I believe we're ultimately going towards. Y'all got to remember my TP is just like the best case TP, like what I would want to get out of this trade. I would want to get me a little $1,500 day. Is my magnet not on? Like, bro, why is this not clicking on? This is where it could realistically turn around. All right, y'all got my TP is just to try to get me the full $1,500 day. But this is where it's going to realistically turn around if it is going to turn around. So we're going to keep that in mind. Hey, bro, like I said, y'all know I always do best case scenarios. I try to get the max I can get in a combine. So the max I can get in a combine is, well, on this particular combine is 1,500 in a day. So this is the best case scenario, TP down here. That'll give me just below $1,500. But obviously, I'm not gonna let this turn around and turn into a break-even trade. Like, I will close it manually if I need to. I want to give it a chance. Yeah, for real though. I just need this thing to just go, man. Just get down there. What would make me close this thing is if I see if I see some bullish displacement to the upside and if we start like respecting like a bullish PD array that we formed. Let me look at ES. Let me make sure ES ain't take out the low I'm currently looking at. Alright, yeah, ES hasn't done it either. So that's good. Look at YM. I shouldn't even look at YM. YM always does its own thing. Yeah, I need the new 1 hour candle to be good to me. Yeah, if I start seeing like some bullish displacement or whatever, I will go ahead and close this thing. It's kind of crazy though that we don't even get down to here. Let me see if there's anything they could be pulling up into this little 5-minute FVG. Because realistically, guys, if we are drawing towards something, right, it doesn't matter that this fair value gap is super low. This should hold if we're going to continue going down to this low. Like if this low is the draw, this should hold. I don't think we'll take 4 off in a situation like this and then add 1 or 3 contracts back, keeping my stop loss in a break even plus situation. Yeah, I thought about taking some off, but then if I do that, I don't want like my average fill to be like moved way down into here somewhere. If I do gotta put more contracts on, I'd rather just take the whole thing off. We're gonna see how this 5-minute gap reacts here. I would just love for this new 1 hour candle to just fall off a cliff like it would be doing if I took a long. We all know if I was going long, this new 1 hour candle would open up and fall off a cliff. But I mean, if these ain't some displacement bearish candles on the 1 hour, I don't know what it is, bro. This is momentum. We should finish this through. Maybe I should go long on another account to make him fall off a cliff. Just go long on the new account I got. They'll be like, oh wait, Chris is long. Oh yeah, we're selling off, bro. We know they be stream sniping me, bro. They be in my streams. Beautiful. Come on, fall off a cliff. Yeah, nothing is saying close right now. Nothing. Not yet. The fact that this account was on the brink of death and we brought it back, that's beautiful. We had $300 left, y'all, before we blew this. Just based off of me trading a little bit more aggressively the past couple days. And now here we are, bringing it back to life. Yeah, reverse hedge it. That's one thing I miss from Forex, bro. Forex, you could be in a buy and a sell at the same time. That is hilarious, bro. Come on. Come on, 11 o'clock. Do me right. I mean, we're getting this close to this low. I mean, certainly we're going to take that. There's no way we don't. But then again, let's go up to all these highs sitting up here. All this generated buy side sitting up here. I mean, certainly we were going to take this, right? And they never did. They never did, bro. This is actually insane, all this sitting up here. All right, we're tapping into that 5-minute fair value gap now. This candle looks scary. We need this 5-minute gap to hold. Like I said, if we are drawn to this low, this should hold and we should be out of here. Nah, they know better. They wouldn't do that to me. We're going to watch this on the 5-minute now. We're going to see how this reacts. Like I said, if this is what we're drawn towards, this should hold. And maybe, just maybe, we'll get enough momentum to get this. They know better, bro. They're not going to do that to me. So matter of fact, what we'll do is we'll just move the stop down to here, above that fair value gap candle. That's $320, bro. I gotta give it a chance though. Like, there are parts of me that's like, bro, just close the trade right now. Gotta give it a chance though, because I felt like this right here should be like, please. Y'all are about to watch me either make the greatest decision ever or, you know, regret the decision. This 5 minute gap is gonna tell us what we're gonna do, y'all. I'm not tripping on it. Yeah, there's a part of me. I think I'm just gonna leave this, bro. I mean, this looks bearish AF. If we don't get down to here, I would be flabbergasted. But as we already know, the market doesn't have to do what I think it should do. If I am holding this, I don't know if I'm gonna stay on stream the whole time, bro. 1 hour order block. Nah, they know better, bro. Order blocks don't work. We know that. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just kidding. Order blocks work. I'm just kidding. We can see how this does too on the 1 minute. It's looking a little risque right now. $15 fair value gap is here, bro. It's looking a little risque. Hey, bro. It's all entertainment, man. It's entertainment purposes only. We ain't gonna regard the clouds, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because the scripture tells us, he who observes the wind will not sow, and he who regards the clouds will not reap. What's happening right here? This is clouds. These are clouds right here. These are clouds trying to tell me that they're about to rain on my parade. And guess what, guys? Sometimes you're not going to regard the clouds. And guess what? Sometimes it's going to work out to where, oh man, I should have just regarded the clouds. I should have just closed the trade. But the problem is you don't know when those times are going to happen. There are going to be times where you like, I'm closing this trade, bro. It's looking like it's about to go against me. As soon as you close the trade, it falls off a cliff. So, because you don't know when those times are going to be, it's best to just never do it. Leave the trade on every single time. Now, in this case, we already did hit a TP, right? So right now, what I'm looking for is just extra. I think it was like here, right? I said we already hit a TP, so what I'm looking for now is just extra, bruh. If I can just get this extra, that'll be beautiful. But worst case, I'll walk away with what I was looking for anyway. Go as your umbrella in a rainstorm, but that won't really help when you jump in the swimming pool. No, I haven't pulled off 5 micros. I'm saying we already hit a TP at like 215 was the number. So like this is where the original TP was, or where I was like, I'll go break even at. And break even is basically, y'all know my break even is always my first TP. So we got one. I will say this is like the deepest I would want to see this thing in here, bro. I wouldn't want to see this come back up here. This is a good closure on the 5 minute as far as this fair value gap goes. So, I mean, if it comes back up here, y'all, and we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But, yeah. This right here is a good closure for this fair value gap if it's going to hold. I will want to see this just, come on, just go. Stress, baby, stress. This is what we live for in trading. We live for the stress, man. We love it. Decision making. Trading is going to help your decision making in real life. ES looks horrible, bro. Come on. I feel like new 1 hour candles just do me wrong way too much, bro. At some point, they have to do me right, bro. It's looking like it's incoming, y'all. I'm flip-flopping again, y'all. I'm taking it off, bro. You know why? Because we only have 3 days left on this combine. We gotta hit the homer. We gotta hit the homer. I already canceled it, so it's not getting rebuild. So this account ain't getting rebuild, so I'm just gonna leave it, bruh. I know I'm flip-flopping today, y'all, but don't judge me because you flip-flop too. Y'all can't judge me because y'all flip-flop too. This is going to flip. I mean, wouldn't it just be crazy they leave, relative equal lows and equal highs at the same time? Like I said, I flip-flop it. I know. This could backfire on me. I know. I feel like people always jump in the comments, bro, after a live stream. They be like, bro, what are you doing, bro? Obviously. I'm like, well, if it's so obvious, genius, how about you full portrait account? Yeah, price is definitely not doing what I wanted it to do in this in the previous macro. I was hoping the previous macro would just send this thing at least to here. You dropped your leverage to what? You feel like you was doing too much? Oh yeah, stay out of trouble. Yep. Yeah. It's full port, man. Here we go, y'all. We're in the moment of truth. Our last line of defense is this 15-minute fair value gap right here. If that fails, then we're chalked. So weird futures got one of the lowest leverage. I think the market changes us, man. The market makes us want more. I remember when I first started trading, I used to be super excited when I made $60, bro. Like, bro, I made $60, bro. This is lit. I'm rich. Last line of defense, bro. 15-minute gap. Do your job. Send this trade to the promised land. We have been in this trade since what? 10:34. We pushing up on like what? 40 minutes? 45 minutes? That 5-minute gap I was talking about still is being respected as of right now. Yeah. Send us to the promised land, please. The market, you guys low key owe me after all the foolishness y'all been doing to me the past couple years. To be honest, y'all owe me. Hey man, it's still me. I still get a portion. Who's Patrick Wheeling? He's like, I'm not prop. I trade liquidity. I mean, I'm not. I trade liquidity. I'm not prop. That's funny. Nah, I never heard of him, bro. If he's a futures trader, it's probably because I've never. Well, I just started trading futures a year ago. Mm. Yeah, I remember for most of my time I was trading forex. So if he's a futures trader, I never watched Patrick Wheeland. Mm. Must be pretty good then. Let's see who he's in. Let's see. Am I fading him, bro? This is not financial advice. 90% of day traders lose money. Should I put that in my stream, y'all? I mean, I'm sure there's nobody really copying what I'm doing, but just in case there is. I didn't see him anything, bro. This 5-minute gap is still holding, y'all, which means we still have hope. Oh, so he trades like support and resistance and all that. You know your trade might be cooked when you start looking for other things like this. Like, look, guys. We inverse this, certainly. We gotta be going lower. Hope is not a strategy. It is not. You're right about that. Hope is not a strategy. But boy, is hope a drug. I kind of hate that this thing is dragging out my stream though, bro. Like, I'm trying to hop off. Yeah, I never heard of crouching, bro. What does he say about crouching? Like, bro, please. Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Well, hopefully it doesn't take too long. And hopefully it doesn't stop me at break even before it goes. I mean, if we're not at TP by 12 o'clock, y'all, I'm going to have to hop off. And then obviously I'll drop the result in the community tab if it does end up hitting. Yeah, 12 o'clock is my absolute latest to be on live, bro. I would hop off now, but, you know. Would love to experience this with you all. The patient trader. I try to be patient, man. Honestly, I think this is one way, like, God, like, really works on me with my patience. Because I'll be honest, I'm not necessarily a patient person, bro. Like, I feel like trading is a way that God works on my patience. I feel like that's why all of my, like, winning trades take forever most of the time. Even though this one, like I said, technically did hit a TP pretty quickly. Facts, bro. I'm not really a patient person at all. Like, if a restaurant doesn't have reservations, I'm more than likely hate going to that restaurant, bro. Just because, like, I don't want to pull up and then, oh, it's going to be about a 30-minute wait, 20-minute wait, 15-minute wait. Like, bro, no. When I pull up, I want to get in immediately. This is decent right now. Nah, bro, like, I just can't stand waiting. Like, first of all, guys, we only have one life, man. Do you really want to spend your life waiting to get into a restaurant? No, you want to get in. Man. Why waste precious minutes of your life waiting to get into a restaurant? I needed to start. Again, realistically, should be looking to close here. Like, realistically, we should be looking to close here. Hopefully, we can get down here. This is the realistic TP. Well, like full TP. This is the hopeful TP. Realistic, hopeful. Realistic, hopeful. What just happened? Yo, I was about to say. Yeah, let's hope we smash right through it, bro. That's what I wanted to do. Or at least if it's going to sweep, do like a deep sweep. Bro, my laptop is super hot right now, bro. It's like, Chris, you didn't tell us we was going to be doing all this streaming stuff, bro. I know, MacBook, I know. I'm sorry. This is not how you want trades to go, bro. Nah, this MacBook isn't built to do much of anything that I'm doing. This was my college MacBook just to do projects and write papers. I was not expecting to do video editing and live streaming and all that. So, I definitely need to get a new one. One that's built for all this. M1 is looking treacherous. We are still sitting in this 5-minute fair value gap. What do you say? We're crouching in it? We're crouching, bro. Guys, if this doesn't work out, y'all, it's on the board, man. Yeah, retail, what we're doing right now, we're creating support right here. We got support right here. We need this to fail. Bro, I keep doing that. I need to stop doing that. Bro, at this point, I don't want to see respect. I want to see just complete disrespect and just fall off a cliff. Like, how come I can't get those candles that the trades I don't take get that just immediately fall. If I wouldn't have taken this, this would have fell off a cliff by now. But because God wants to test me in my trading psychology, I got to sit through all this. And the sad thing is, I can sit through all this and then it just lose. But I have to take the win for the trading psychology. You know what I'm saying? Like, well, not lose, but, you know, get stopped at break even. But then I have to say, but at least my trading psychology held up. But at least my psychology held up. At least I didn't get punked out of a trade. Come on, please. Just go, please. Yeah. At the bar later. Bro, what you doing here, man? Trading hit TP, bro. I gotta get a drink. Let's go. Go. Alright, here's the moment of truth right here. Is this 1 minute fair value gap going to hold, or are we going to disrespect this thing? Like, come on, just... y'all know if I was entering on this fair value gap, this thing would just fall. Let's go. Let's go. Let's stop playing games. Let's stop playing around. I got things to do. I can't just be sitting for this, waiting for this trade to go. Come on. No. Yeah, come on, drop. Got things to do, people to see. Fall. Excellent. Yes, no. Fall. Fall. Yes. Very good. Come on. No. No. Fall. We need this, bro. That's what we need right here. Right now, we are in the process of fading those that are going long from here, bro. We need this to work. Come on, incur. I will say this candle looks horrendous for what we want it to do, bro. That candle looks like it wants to respect, bro. My God. Right now, we are currently fading the longers, man. That's not looking good. We got this higher time frame though. That doesn't look good on the 1 minute, but we can't get too zoomed in where we start wanting to close our trade based on the 1 minute. This ain't looking beautiful though. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's getting real tempting to close this thing. It's getting real tempting to close this thing. Lord. Oh my God. I'm trying to give it just a little bit more time. What I am about to do. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Y'all, I might have to close it. I might have to. This is crazy if we don't get this, though. Here we are back again, about to test this 15-minute gap, man. But this 5 minute is still. I'm hanging on to this 5 minute for dear life, bro. Woosah. Man. We might just have to walk away with like our $300, $400. I'm only doing that if this 5 minute inverses. As long as this holds, I will give it a shot. We got some bearish SMT now. You know what I'm saying? With these highs right here, boom. Come on. Come on. Right now, y'all are either watching like Masterful Psychology or Stupid Ego. We're either watching Masterful Psychology or Stupid Ego right now. It's not all the way gambling. My stop loss at break even at least. What does the scripture say? We walk by faith, not by sight. Right now, my sight is telling me, Chris, get out the trade. My faith is telling me, Chris, stay in the trade. You can't believe your eyes because your eyes tell lies. I mean, bro, like we have to at this point. Like, it's no way we do this on both sides where we just get close to a low, don't take it. Get close to a high, not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times and not take it. It's no way we do that on both sides. It's no way we do that on both sides. Yeah, but Satan's a bum, so we're not worried about him in these markets. Like, I know it's been getting scary, y'all, but these 5 minute closures in this fair value gap have been looking good. All right, we're getting wicks. We're not getting strong closures, minus like this candle. Like, these candles are looking good in this 5 minute. So it's been getting scary. But we just gotta keep believing, y'all. We gotta keep believing. This is what not regarding the clouds looks like. Right here, bro. We're not regarding the clouds. We're keeping that scripture in our mind. Do not regard the clouds. Let the trade play out. Let it do what it's going to do. Trust yourself. Trust your TP. Like I said, this is where I'm realistically going to think about closing, right? I would only get this if we just push through it, right? But if we start stuttering down here, I'm out right there. I know, bro. I need this thing to do what it's supposed to do. If we start like stuttering right down here where this black line is, that's this low, I'm out of here. I'm only getting this if we like just push through with momentum. But boy, is this trade a psychology tester, bruh. It's just funny, man. It's like the amount of times you're in a trade, bruh, you're like, abort mission, bruh. It's hilarious. Strong candles coming. Need them, man. Need them. Need them. Like, DSY, keep trucking. You know you want to keep going. Just go. I think at this point, I definitely would not be tripping if I move it to here. Let's go, man. Get up out of here. There's SMT here too now. Boom, boom. Y'all see that? Come on. We might have to wait for this next macro in 6 minutes, bro. But I think we're going to get there. I know we're getting here, but we may get here. This TP has nothing to do with any type of structure. This is just all money based right here. This black line is structure. Facts. Psychology, man. Psychology. Hey, sometimes though, I don't know if it's good psychology or if it's just greed. I guess there's a thin line between the two. It's a very thin line between the two. We're back to being up 1,000, bruh. There's a part of me that's like, bruh, take the money. But no, man. This low is the only place where I'm looking to really get up out of here. We just inverse this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move it to above this fair value gap candle, bro. If we inverse this, or if we just push through this, bro, I'm just out. Now, bro, look at this. Look at this. I have it on there just because I really use it with my unis. Come on, 3 minute. Protect us. But I mean, most of the time, I really am not looking at this stuff. Come on, 3 minute. Protect us. Send it. Send it lower. Three-minute order block. Tapped it. Come on. Let's get up out of here. 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 Sometimes you gotta talk to your trade, man. Let's get up out of here, man. That's what I be doing when I be playing college football 25, man. I be talking to my players. Like, get up out of there, man. Get up out of there. Come on, Trey. Get up out of there. Get up out of there. It's time to go. Get up out of there. Please. Get up out of there. Bruh. I'm gonna be right back, y'all. I gotta use the bathroom, man. We've been sitting here way too long. I gotta use the bathroom. Y'all keep an eye on this trade. Make sure she doesn't do anything crazy. I'll be right back, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, new macro coming up in 15 seconds. Can we get this macro to work in our favor and just fall? this. Come on. Come on, macro. Come on. Take us to the promised land. Take us to the house, man. Let's go. Take us to the promised land. Ain't get no trash PC. Console to the day I die. We got 9 more minutes to watch this, y'all, before I just before I say I'm off of the stream, and I'm gonna have to let y'all know in the community tab. Nah. Just gonna get a better MacBook. One with more RAM. Everything. This is not a streaming MacBook. I forgot all about that $666. I forgot all about that, bro. Macro, let's go. Come on. Come on, macro. Do me right. Seven minutes before I turn off the stream and leave you guys on the cliffhanger. First of all, no one knows what fruit Eve ate. No one knew what fruit she ate. It doesn't say. For all we know, it could have been a freaking tangerine orange. How come the macros don't macro for me like they macro for everyone else? The macros macro for everyone else, but it seems like for me, it's like they want to just take their time. Beautiful. Yes, there we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Yeah, come on. Drop. Drop. Very much. I'm saying Genesis don't say what fruit. Could have been a freaking orange. You never know. Macro, please. Nope. No bearish no bullish SMT. You don't want to come up here. You don't want to soup this high and then go. You just want to go. Like, you don't want to play with my emotions like that. That's the case. We want to get a little soupy here. We may want to soup this into this 1 minute inefficiency and then go. You can hit your orange line. Oh, man. Yeah, I mean, unfortunately, I can see it wanting to sweep this or soup this, tap into this, and then go. But boy, what I love for this to just go, man. Like, come on. We've been sitting in this for over an hour. Just give it to me. Yeah, this thing's taking way too long, bro. I like to be in and out of trades within 30 minutes, bro. And here we are, an hour and a half later, almost. Still waiting for this trade to do what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna take off my orange line. My MacBook is like, brother, please. My MacBook's like, I'm tired of this. That's too dang bad. Actually, nah. We gonna stay over here. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, bro. ICT, he got a lot of concepts, man. I don't know if I believe everything he says, but I mean, you sent a YouTube link? I don't see a link in there. And honestly, I can't even can't even play it just cuz my OBS is tripping. Like, it will not let me get the audio from my monitor. You can't believe everything in the Bible. I do. I believe everything in the Bible. Everything in the Bible, I believe. So you put it in the comment section? Yeah, I believe everything in the Bible. Everything. You really believe Jesus walked on water? Absolutely. You really think he turned two pieces of fish and five loaves of bread into in order to feed 5,000? Absolutely. You really believe that? Absolutely. You really believe Jonah was swallowed by a whale? Absolutely. Everything. I mean, that's the thing about faith. I mean, it's called faith for a reason, right? Like, not everything is going to make sense to you. You're not going to have all the answers, right? And to be honest, when it comes to God, I mean, everything isn't supposed to make sense to you. For my ways are not your ways, nor your thoughts my thoughts, says the Lord. My ways are higher than your ways, and my thoughts are higher than your thoughts. Right? In other words, God was telling us, you ain't me. You don't do what I do. You don't think how I think. So, in other words, stop trying to figure everything out because you're not going to have everything figured out. I feel like the people that struggle with faith the most are the ones that have an issue with not knowing some things or not having an answer to some things. Bruh, A new 1 hour candle, please. Oh my God. I mean, no way we get even closer and don't get it right. I mean, we're literally 3 points away. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear the sound because my what you call it. Maybe my YouTube is tripping, bruh, because I don't even see it in my comments. I ain't gonna lie, I might just take 3 off, man. I took 3 off, y'all, just because, I mean, my God. New 1 hour candles, like, they just have to just try me every single time. Let me turn my executions on. $19,165. Am I the liquidity video? Dang, bro, does YouTube not like you, bro? Yeah, I don't see it. Let's see. We secured about 600-ish, I think. 19,165. Yeah, we probably secured like a little under 600. We can just do quick math real quick. We're at 370. Yes, we secured about 580. So now if we want to get the full pool with 2 contracts, 580, so we need about $900 more. Still didn't suit that yet. Now we got bullish SMT, man. I'm deleting that real quick just because I don't like how sloppy it is. But now we got some bullish SMT at a low. I still think that low is going to get hit though, so I'm not tripping on it too much. But that could. It is 12:04, bro. I literally said I'm about to get off. And I can't even do what I say I'm going to do because I would be a bad YouTube streamer. People would be like, oh, of course, Chris. Of course. It hit your TP when you're not on stream. Of course. This is the high that we are looking for this to soup. I'm gonna delete this order block. We already know we're there. Lord have mercy. I just want to get off this stream so I can go do what I want to. Not that I have an issue with, being with you guys on stream, but I have other things I like to do, man. Now I'm gonna try to hold this a little bit longer just so I can get my full pull of 15. But we'll have to see. I'm not gonna stay on stream for that though. I will say, this macro is over in 3.5 minutes, y'all. I literally have to get off, man. I got other things to do, man. I can't stay on here forever. Oh no, I'm gonna watch it, so I'm not tripping on having to walk away. I got it on my phone, so I'm gonna be keeping my eye on this thing. I'll just have to let y'all know the result. I'll have to let you guys know the result in the community tab. Yeah, we already got paid today. We got a little $580 pool. I'm not mad at that. I wouldn't be mad about if someone gave me, $500. What time is that? Nah, came close to. If someone walked up to me and said, "Hey, Chris, here's $580, man," would I say, "Man, that's not enough, bro. Give me more"? Heck no. I'm like, "Thank you for the $5, bro. Appreciate it." But yeah, y'all, I'm out of here in 2 minutes. 12:10. I'm out, man. I gotta be. Y'all could be seeing the full TP smash right here, though. I had to take 3 off, though. I had to, man, because this right here, bro, like, my psychology was doing amazing for an hour and a half. Oh, wait, y'all can't see it. I'm paying attention to this running balance in the bottom left of y'all screen. I'm paying attention to that. Once that thing gets close to 15, your boy is calling it. Your boy is pulling it. If we can get it. But like I said before, when I had the 5 on, if we get to this low and we just start stuttering, taking our time, I'm closing it off. But I'm about to go ahead and end this thing, y'all. We've been live for 2.5 hours. This trade was a very long trade, bro. Still is a very long trade. But sheesh, man. Hopefully we can get this thing done. Hold on. But hopefully, man. Hopefully we can get this full pull. But yeah, bro. I'm about to go ahead and get off, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Is that the full link? I don't think it gave me the full link, bro. The full link. Let me see if it showed up here. Yeah. I don't think it gave me the full link, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off, y'all. Appreciate y'all rocking with me this whole time, sitting through this freaking trade, man. We got a dub, but boy, oh boy, was this a psychology tester, man. This was a psychology tester. But we got us a dub. Floating $1,000 in profit right now. Not mad at it. Not mad at it at all. That's a good way to start the week. Let's see if we can finish this thing off. Y'all know I got another combine in my back pocket because honestly, this combine was on the brink of death, as I've already said before. It was on the brink of death. I was like, it's quite possible that I blow this today, so I went ahead and bought another one. So now we got two combines, but this one is away from the brink, so we quite possibly could be getting two things done. So I'm about to go ahead and link these two up. Once I get off of here later on today, I'm gonna link both of these up and see if we can, make something shake. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all showing up. Appreciate y'all tapping in with me. I'll be back on tomorrow, same time, 9:30. I'm trying to drag this out because it's looking like we may just hit the TP finally after all these years. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Full TP hit, ladies and gentlemen, on stream. There we go, baby. That's how we do it. After 20 years, man. After 20 years, we get it. Now I'm for real about to end the stream. Let's see if we can get this thing to blow through this, man. If not, I'm putting the stop loss there, bro. If not, man, I'm off. I mean, I'll be just closing the trade, or again, stop that right there. But yeah, bro. Finally, TP hit. I'm off of here. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, same time, 9:30. Ready to make some money, man. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Be safe. Be blessed. I'm gone.